Hey yo, what up go getters, how y'all doing? I'm over here in Tenerife. This is the place I'm staying at. There's a nice palm tree and the beach is really close to me. We're actually gonna go for a dive now into the local swimming pool. It's like a huge freaking lagoon, you're gonna see it. Let's go right now. It's open from 9 to 6. Freaking, oh my god. This is class. How deep is this sand?
It's like 2 times deep.
Escaping your arms, baby, I'm yours. Baby, I'm yours. Love don't come easy at all. I miss you so much.
We just ordered like 6 cheeseburgers, 3 cheeseburgers each. What are we doing, Lucas? What are we doing? Yeah, we're gonna go jet skiing and it's called Jet Ski Safari, which is 2 hours long, and you go around these caves and just have a lot of fun. I've never been jet skiing before. He hasn't been jet skiing before. Gonna check it out, gonna get some awesome content. It'll be freaking fun, you know, I promise you that. I think we might go scuba diving also. Not sure how cold or warm the sea is, but I'm definitely gonna go for a plunge in. They're going for a surfing session. And this is Tenerife. So far, it looks pretty fucking damn awesome. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro now, because we need to walk fast. We need to get there on time, and we're gonna have to freaking blast it on the jet skis, yo.
I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Tell me, is this freedom, baby? Chasing after danger, making my heart race. Whoa, maybe if the stars align, maybe if our worlds collide, maybe on the dark side we could be together, be together. Maybe in a million miles, on a highway through the skies, someday soon we'll be together.
Yo, so we just got to the jet ski place. We just signed in right now. Now we're waiting on these guys to set everything up. Got our own locker. I'm not sure where the bag goes, and shoes, and my phone, but we'll figure it out. We're about to start this right now. Here's Lucas. He's on number 2, I think. This jet ski's number 2. This is a good space, actually.
Where is he? Show
Do
me.
you think this is waterproof? I don't think so. There's no way. We're doing this. Yo, this is fucking insane. Yo, so we just got here beside the caves right now. It was about a 20-minute drive. I gotta say, it was freaking crazy. The waves were about this size. The biggest one I've seen was about that size, but I managed to get through them. Oh my god, it was
Yo voy a ir
crazy.
despacito, si quieren ir conmigo yo voy despacio.
There's a crash too. Somebody just got thrown off the jet ski.
Yo voy a ir despacito.
Wow. Yo, the waves are freaking insane.
Chasing the stars, wings spread to the sun. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Tell me, is this freedom, baby?
hour now. I actually don't know what we're doing now. Okay. Still going that way. It's kind of cold. My head is sore. My ears are kind of hot. All the way around it. Yo, I am so cold. It ain't even a joke. The sun just got out. We actually went the other way around right now, so we just did kind of like a loop. And coming down this way, the waves were like twice the size of what we had before, and I was freaking out. I thought I was gonna die, and damn, it was freaking crazy. Damn. So I think we just finished.
Oh, me duelen los pies.
No, te tiene que doler la espalda, el bombazo.
No, la espalda sí que me duele.
What a day.
Mira esto.
Show them your film.
Mi hermano me deja ahí en el auto.
How did you get that?
Every time a wave hit,
Man, I went into a wave and I was in that wave for like 5 seconds. I was the whole fucking jet ski was covered in the water. I was covered in water and I had to hold my breath for like 5 seconds. I thought I was gonna die. It was so scary. What was your scariest moment? Yeah.
I flew on a big wave into a little wave.
Yeah. Scary. Oh.
La vi caer, yo solté la moto y me puse a reír, me eché para atrás.
Hey yo, what's up? So we just got done jet skiing, jet ski safari. Unfortunately, we didn't see any animals such as like whales and dolphins. That's what you usually see on a safari. But yeah, we didn't see any of those. Jet ski experience is pretty freaking gnarly. It was scary. It was fun. I thought I was gonna die at one moment because yeah, things happen. And yeah, as you can see, I'm beside the beach right now still, and the waves are pretty fucking huge. They were like 3 times the size of those. The biggest one I've seen was about 5 meters, and unfortunately I crashed into it and the jet ski collapsed into the wave, and I was under the water for about 5 seconds. Had to hold my breath. Thought I was gonna die. So yeah, I'm lucky to be alive. But yeah, it was a crazy experience. We did it for 2 hours, non-stop. I was shaking, I was cold, and thought I was gonna get hypothermia, but in the end turned out to be alright because the sun was shining the whole time. So it's pretty good.
Don't we'll be together. We'll be together.